Namaste. I'm Ritu Kantawala, your tarot card reader, numerologist, and Vastu consultant. Today, I would like to talk about the coming year 2021. जैसे कि आप सबको पता ही है 2020 has been very difficult for everybody. Whether it's physically, mentally, emotionally, financially, work-wise, it has been a big strain. सभी लोगों को बहुत परेशानियां उठानी पड़ी है, इसीलिए आगे क्या होने वाला है यह प्रश्न सबके दिमाग में चल रहा है। सब जानना चाहते हैं कि आगे वाला जो वर्ष है 2021 कैसे रहेगा। So as we move forward, first I would like to do a general reading for 2021 overall कि ये साल कैसे रहेगा सबके लिए। So we start with 2021 for everybody. How is it going to be a year in general on all aspects? So here I will be covering health, finance, work, relationships, travel, and overall how the perception is going to be of the people. तो जहाँ तक मैं देख सकती हूँ कि सबसे पहले तो there is going to be a little bit of opening up. ये जो हम लॉकडाउन से गुजर रहे हैं उसमें थोड़ी सी छूट रहेगी, लेकिन हेल्थ वाइज हमें फिर भी सतर्क रहना है. वी हैव टू स्टिल बी वेरी केयरफुल बिकॉज एज आई कैन सी दैट देर आर स्टिल गोइंग टू बी केसेस कमिंग अप, जो कि कोरोना है, कोविड है. इट्स गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू. इट्स नॉट लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू वैनिश ओवरनाइट. लेकिन yes, vaccinations will start off. People will start taking more and more precautions. काफ़ी लोग ऑलरेडी ले रहे हैं और उसकी हमें न्यूज़ मिलती जाती है कि केसेस आर गोइंग डाउन. सो ओवरऑल इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी अ बेटर ईयर. एज फार एज वर्क इज़ कंसर्न, वेरी स्लो प्रोग्रेस. लोगों को जो भी सेटबैक्स रहे हैं, लॉसेस रहे हैं, उसमें से निकलने को थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा. इट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी लाइक अ क्विक रिकवरी. But from what we can see is that slow and steady progress will be there. Financially there have been major setbacks. ये सब मैंने last year 2020 के prediction में साफ कहा था कि this year is going to be quite disastrous. So this year what I am seeing is in 2021 things could start improving. Relationships could get better. Also what we can see is that students जिनकी education has taken a setback would start moving forward. Furthermore, as far as travel is concerned, it is going to take a hit even in 2021. स्थिति को वापस नॉर्मल आने में काफ़ी टाइम लगेगा. ये साल would be a year for recovery. So there would be slow and steady recovery. Definitely better than 2020, but you are not totally out of the pandemic, and also you would have to have small baby steps towards progress. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं and let us see for each sun sign how the year 2021 is going to be. So सबसे पहले we start with Aries, that is मेष राशि. For Aries 2021, how would this year be? सबसे पहले I would like to say आपको ये साल में थोड़ा केयरफुल रहना है. You need to be careful. You need to stabilize yourself. आपको किसी तरह का बैलेंस अचीव करना है, whether it is in work, whether it's in your personal life, whether it is health wise. Definitely health would improve. Also focus more on spirituality. इससे आपको काफ़ी फ़ायदा रहेगा. As far as relationships are concerned, ये साल would be a year where you would consolidate your relationships. There could be marriages, there could be commitments, there could be further people meeting their better halves. As far as work is concerned, slow progress, disappointments, still losses ahead. आपको slow steady progress करना होगा. As far as finance is concerned, you have already taken a hit. आपको काफ़ी losses हुए हैं, इसीलिए उसमें से निकलने को आपको थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. travel would be low, you would not be able to travel much, and actually it is not a very wise decision to travel at this stage. Next we have Taurus, Vrishik Rashi. Let us see what 2021 holds for you. आपको आया है पेज ऑफ वॉन्ड्स विच इंडिकेट्स स्टूडेंट्स विच आर लुकिंग टू गो अब्रॉड टू स्टडी, टू सी फर्दर स्टडीज, उनके लिए देयर वुड बी सम मूवमेंट, जो कि 2020 में दे हैव टेकन अ सेटबैक। अब ये साल वो आगे बढ़ सकते हैं, अपनी एजुकेशन को आगे ले सकते हैं। अदर देन ऑनलाइन स्टडीज, दे वुड इवन बी एबल टू ट्रैवल बैक टू द प्लेसेस वेयर दे आर स्टडिंग। हेल्थ वाइज दोज हु हैव सफर्ड फ्रॉम हेल्थ इश्यूज उसमें से निकल आएंगे। देयर इज स्लो एंड स्टेडी प्रोग्रेस एज फार एज हेल्थ इज कंसर्न्ड। Relationships would still be strained. There are issues which would come up. आपको काफ़ी patience रखना है, tolerance रखना है. Work-wise, some unjust decisions like being laid off, people losing jobs, ये सब आपको शायद face करना पड़ा हो in 2020. So in 2021, look ahead, try and find new employment, new jobs, maybe go for job interviews, and also work towards progress and look ahead. Financially काफ़ी losses रहे होंगे, especially in people who are in jobs, employment, they have suffered quite a bit, so salaries could have been cut. तो ये साल आपके लिए काफ़ी difficult रहा होगा and आप काफ़ी तकलीफ़ों में से गुजरे होंगे. As far as travel is concerned, you will be traveling and travel would be good for you. Next we have Gemini, Mithun Rashi. Let us see what the year 2021 holds for you. The cards suggest outflow of finance, लेकिन you would also quickly recover. ये साल में आपकी financial position improve होगी. You will be able to make up all the losses that you have made. अगर आपके कोई debts हैं, आप उन्हें fulfill कर पाएंगे. You will be able to pay your EMIs and you will overall do very well financially. Health-wise, this year would be very good for you, for your family. Overall, it is good. It is like a wish fulfillment. All things which you missed out on 2020 would come true in 21 for you. As far as work is concerned, focus more on your work, put in more focus, concentration. आपको अपने काम में ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है so that you can take it forward. Students may not be able to travel due to certain reasons, लेकिन financially with the situation improving, you could look at travel at the end of 2021. आगे बढ़ते हैं कैंसर, कर्क राशि. देखते हैं साल 2021 में आपके लिए क्या क्या रखा है. हेल्थ वाइज अ सुपर्ब ईयर फॉर यू. आपकी हेल्थ काफ़ी इम्प्रूव होगी. यू विल डेफिनेटली बी आउट ऑफ एनी काइंड ऑफ इन्फेक्शंस और प्रॉब्लम्स. फैमिली वाइज आप काफ़ी आगे बढ़ेंगे. देयर कुड बी अ मैरिज इन द फैमिली. ऑल्सो दिख रहा है कि एंसेस्ट्रल वेल्थ कुड कम योर वे. So this year is going to be specifically significant for you. जो लोगों की शादी नहीं हुई है अभी तक, ये साल में they can look forward to a wedding, a marriage could be fixed. Financially अभी भी slow है ये साल, खर्चे भी काफ़ी रहेंगे, लेकिन आपकी इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल काफ़ी रहेगी. ये साल में काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ रहेंगी आपकी शोल्डर में और आपको देखना है कि आप उन्हें स्लो एंड स्टेडली निभा सके. वर्क वाइज आपके कोलीग्स काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट हो सकते हैं. सी दैट यू आर मोर पेशेंट एंड टॉलरेंट. लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड एंड सी व्हाट द कार्ड्स हैव इन स्टोर फॉर लियोज इन 2021. लियो जो कि है सिंह राशि, उसके लिए ये साल कैसे रहेगा 2021. ये साल काफ़ी लक और फॉर्चून फेवर करेगा फॉर लियोज. There's going to be some good international travel also, good decision making. आपकी हेल्थ भी काफ़ी अच्छी रहेगी ये साल. relationships would go stronger, there is also more commitment. जिनकी शादी नहीं हुई है ये साल में शादी फिक्स हो सकती है. गुड डिसीशंस एज फार एज फाइनेंस इज कंसर्न. मनी मैटर्स में आपके जो भी डिसीशंस रहेंगे वो अच्छे रहेंगे. यू विल डू एक्सट्रीमली वेल. वर्क वाइज पार्टनरशिप्स वुड डू वेल. Also, you would work slow and steadily towards progress as far as finance is concerned. जो कि लोग टीचिंग करियर में हैं और लास्ट ईयर काफ़ी हिट ले चुके हैं, स्लो एंड स्टेडली थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग बैक टू नॉर्मल. तो 2021 में यू कैन सी दैट थिंग्स कुड इम्प्रूव. सर्टेन रिलेशनशिप्स कुड बी स्ट्रेन्ड एंड यू मे फील कि आप कितनी भी कोशिश करते हैं वो इम्प्रूव नहीं हो रहे. I would say wait and watch, wait for things to turn. Since you have the Wheel of Fortune card, things would get better. आगे बढ़ते हैं Virgo, कन्या राशि. Let's see what the cards have in store for you. Virgo, कन्या राशि 2021. How would this year be for you? ये साल में you have to be quite aware. Do not fool yourself. Do not take things for granted, especially whatever issues you have as far as health is concerned. You need to go deeper into it, find out what are the causes and deal with it. Relationships looking very, very strong, marriage on the cards, as well as a lot of expenses. There could be huge expenses even in terms of buying a property. There could be in terms of investments. It could be in terms of marriage. So there are going to be huge outflow of finance. Work wise आपका ध्यान शायद कम रहे and you need more focus. आपको फोकस ज़रूर करना है, नहीं तो अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आएंगी लेकिन आप उन्हें ग्रैब नहीं कर पाएंगे. यू वॉन्ट टेक देम ऑन टाइम और वो आपके हाथ से स्लिप हो सकते हैं. Travel looks low. You should avoid travel as far as possible. So overall for you it's a mixed bag for Virgos 2021. Next we have Libra, Tula Rashi. Let us see how the year 2021 is for you. Librans के लिए ये साल काफ़ी significant रहेगा. Good offers coming your way. Good proposals for unmarried people, good job offers for people looking for employment. Health wise it is a little compromise. आपको अपनी तबीयत का ध्यान देना है, स्वास्थ्य की तरफ ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है क्योंकि you have already suffered from certain issues, so you need to come out of it. As far as loved ones are concerned, last year has been a little depressing for you. Relationships काफ़ी strained होंगे. You could have lost a loved one. So there is some kind of depression that you are dealing with. It is more due to the loss that has happened and it would take you a while to overcome it. Work wise काफ़ी परेशानियाँ दिख रही हैं. अभी भी things are not back to normal. 2021 would require you to have strength to deal with whatever comes your way. Financially, still it seems to be a struggle this year. It is not as smooth and as functioning as it was earlier. So financially you need to put in more efforts to see that your money grows. As far as travel is concerned, you have to avoid travel for health reasons. Next we have Vrishik, Scorpio. Let us see how the year 2021 is for you. This year things are going to look definitely more positive for you as far as relationships are concerned. Work wise भी आप काफ़ी you would move forward, you would do well, there is a lot of progress. Monetarily थोड़े issues रहेंगे, अभी भी finance is affected. You will have to take some important decisions with related to finance. Also overall it's a good year for you, लेकिन आपको थोड़ा negativity से दूर रहना है. Try and have a more positive approach, be more optimistic. जो कि pessimistic आपका जो attitude रहा है उसमें से आपको निकलना है. Move towards positivity. इसके लिए spirituality would definitely help you focus more on health, yoga, meditation, also a good healthy diet. As far as travel is concerned, it is not a very wise thing to travel for you. Even in the beginning of 2021, you could travel at a later stage. Next, we move forward. Sagittarius, Dhanu Rashi. Let us see what the year 2021 has in store for you. It shows new beginnings, it shows good help from somebody who is quite influential. आपको काफ़ी help मिलेगी. Health wise, you are going to do extremely well. Focus more on karmic activities, good karmas, like doing some kind of charity. That would give you definitely immense good luck and fortune. As far as finance is concerned, काफ़ी खर्चे दिख रहे हैं. You could invest in a property. There are also good influences as far as work is concerned. See that you take them up. As far as money is concerned, a few lost opportunities. Be a little more careful. Be aware of any opportunity that comes your way or see that you grab it. फाइनेंशियली ये साल आपके लिए काफ़ी ट्रिकी रहेगा, काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट रहेगा. सो आपको ये देखना है कि ऐसी कोई भी गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी आपकी तरफ आए, आप उसे मिस ना करें. Travel is looking good. Those looking to travel for studies, for further studies, would be able to take it forward. So overall, a lot of movement for you this year, and also work towards building your good karmas. Next, we have Capricorn, Makar Rashi. Let us see what the cards have in store for you for the year 2021. The cards suggest a very good year for seniors. Those who are at a higher position would definitely do well in this year. There are chances of relationships getting strained, so work towards building a more positive relationship. As far as health is concerned, आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. Focus more on diet, exercise, yoga, meditation. Look after your health. Do not put all your energies in work. You need to focus on yourself as well. As far as money is concerned, opportunities आएंगे. Those who are involved in import and export, things will get back slowly but surely. Travel is still going to be quite cumbersome. काफ़ी तकलीफ़ों से निकलना होगा in order to travel freely, but you would be traveling. A lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. तो 2021 में आपको अपने आप को बैलेंस्ड रखना होगा. You need to focus on relationships as well as work. There would be some good news, but it is kind of delayed as far as work is concerned. आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next we have Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi. Let us see how 2021 would work for you. ये साल में relationships are looking quite strained. You could go through a lot of upheavals as far as close, near and dear ones are concerned. इसीलिए आपको emotionally strong रहना होगा. Health is also looking affected, mainly because of mental and emotional issues. You need to strengthen yourself to deal with it. एक काफ़ी important decision आपको लेना होगा with regards to your relationship. As far as work is concerned, the Wheel of Fortune card indicating luck and fortune is going to favor you. Work wise, you are going to go ahead, leap and bounce. आपकी progress definite है. आप आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं as far as your work is concerned. Money wise, there are going to be good partnerships. There's going to be good help coming your way, and you will move ahead financially. काफ़ी ancestral wealth भी आपको मिल सकता है और आप travel भी करेंगे. Travel would be very good for you and would bring about a sense of completeness. So overall, this year is going to be mixed for you. See that you are strong to deal with whatever changes are coming your way. Next we have Meen Rashi, Pisces. Let us see how this year is going to be for you, the year 2021. This year shows new opportunities coming your way. There is definitely going to be travel, international travel. जो लोगों का business import export का है, they are going to do extremely well. Things are going to get back to normal. Also, I can see work wise a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. So this year you need to work hard, focus, put in all your energies in work. हेल्थ वाइज आपका थोड़ी एनर्जी लो रह सकती है. वर्क टूवर्ड्स एनर्जाइजिंग योर सेल्फ, rejuvenating yourself. Also what you need to do is practice a little bit of spirituality which would help you to move forward. Overall it would help you in all areas. Relationships are looking little strained. There seems to be a little underlying depression. आपको उसमें से निकलना है and have a more positive approach. Financially there could be expenses, काफ़ी खर्चे दिख रहे हैं and you need to come out of it. You need to focus more on savings and investments. लेकिन overall travel is looking very good for you. This is the year where you can get back to traveling again at the end of 2021. So these were the predictions for the year 2021 for all the sun signs. आगे बढ़ते हुए wishing you a great year ahead. May you come out of all the negativities that you have faced in the year 2020. Have a brilliant year ahead. Recover from all what you have been through in 2020. Look forward to a nice 2021. Progress, success. Wish you all a brilliant year ahead. Keep smiling and shining. Thank you.